Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal here. If you are in the industrial or manufacturing sector and looking for a right forging supplier, this video is a must watch. Choosing the wrong supplier can lead to delays in supplies, poor quality parts and increased cost. So today I am sharing 10 key factors to help you make the right decision. So why are we waiting? Let's get started. Number 1. Quality standards and certifications. Always check if the supplier has relevant ISO, IATF or other industry specific certifications. A supplier with strict quality control processes ensures consistent and reliable forged components. Experience in your industry. Not all forging suppliers are the same. Look for a supplier experience in your industry, whether it is automotive, space, aerospace, construction or industrial machinery. Their expertise means better solutions and less issues. Number 3. Material capabilities. Does the supplier have expertise in the specific materials you need? Carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel or aluminium. Using the right material ensures durability, performance and cost effectiveness. Number 4. Production capacity and scalability. A supplier should have the capacity to meet your demand, whether it's a small batch or a large scale production. Scalability ensures that as your business grows, your supplier can keep up with your pace. Number 5. Tooling and technology. Modern forging suppliers use advanced presses, CNC machining and automation. Up-to-date technology means higher precision, better consistency and cost efficiency in production. Number 6. Customization and design support. Need a customized part? A good forging supplier offers design support like CAD modeling and prototyping to optimize your product's performance and reduce material wastage. Lead time and delivery. How fast can they deliver? Timely delivery is crucial to keep your production on schedule. A supplier with a reliable logistic network and on-time shipping record is a must. Number 8. Cost transparency and pricing. Look for a supplier who provides clear pricing with a detailed cost breakdown. Avoid hidden charges. Competitive pricing plus quality assurance is equal to the right choice. Number 9. Testing and inspection. Does the supplier perform in-house testing, metallurgical analysis and non-destructive testing? A supplier with stringent quality checks reduces rejection and ensures compliances. Number 10. Customer support and after-sales service. Good suppliers don't just sell, they support you. Look for a supplier with responsive communication, technical assistance and long-term customer support. Choosing the right forging supplier can make a huge difference in your production, quality and efficiency. By considering these 10 key factors, you will find a partner who meets your business needs. What's your biggest challenge in selecting a forging supplier? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay with for more industry insights. Thank you. See you in the next video.